Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Lexus RX 350 bonnet. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and finding the hood release lever under the dash. Pull the lever firmly until you hear a click. Walk to the front, feel for the secondary safety latch at the center, then push or lift it to free the bonnet. Use the prop rod or strut to hold the bonnet safely open while you work. Begin with the driver door open and your foot on the brake for stability. Pull the interior hood release lever firmly until you hear it pop. Walk to the front, slide your hand under the bonnet and locate the small secondary latch, then move it to fully release the bonnet. Lift the bonnet gently and secure it with the prop rod, or confirm the gas struts hold it up before letting go with both hands. If the lever feels stiff, try moving it a few times and apply a small amount of lubricant at the pivot. For a jammed secondary latch, press and wiggle it gently while someone lifts the bonnet slightly. If the struts no longer hold the bonnet, always use the prop rod to prevent accidents and plan strut replacement soon. These simple checks keep opening the bonnet safe and hassle-free for routine checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.